Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, here we are. I think it's the first Monday of the year. And it is Mask Monday, ladies. And it is time for masking. And today, I want to go ahead and use this mask that Neecy sent to me for my gift. And this is the Real Nature Mask Sheet Chamomile. And I kind of feel like I had a really rough day today. I just had a rough moment here trying to get everything set up. And so, yeah. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing now what's up with this mask, as well as the revealing of the giveaway from Mask Monday ladies last week. Okay. Alrighty, so I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, anyway, today has been a little bit of a rough day. I think it's self-created. Today, I wanted to just go ahead and take the time and do something, not do anything, something, right? And so my husband and I went to Santa Cruz and we kind of walked around. It was a beautiful Sunday, and it is Sunday night now, quite late. And so, but I did enjoy the day. And when we got back, we were kind of exhausted. So we took a nap, and I woke up a little bit too late. And I'm like, oh no, I got to get the video up, and I have to pick the winner for last week's Mask Monday Lady Mask. So yeah, it was kind of like running around like crazy. I'm like, oh my gosh. And I feel like I'm all crazy. And all of a sudden I realized I left my microphone on because I have a boom mic sitting on top of my camera. And so it was out of battery. So I had to change the battery to that. And I banged my head under the desk where I keep all my stuff. And yeah, now I got a knot on the back of my head, I think. And then a couple of other craziness, right? So yeah, it was not a typical Sunday. And then I forgot I put laundry in, the machine. So I had to get that dried, and I had to get it all, put away. So folded and put away. So it was kind of hectic today for a Sunday, but that's okay because I know we had a really good day and I'm relaxed, and this mask is gonna relax me even further. But before we get going, let's go ahead and do an affirmation or look for a quote. And let's see. Oh, that's a pretty color. It looks like cake. I don't think it's cake, but it looks like cake for me without my glasses on. So let's see what it says. It says, they start missing you when they fail to replace you. Isn't that the truth? They start missing you when they fail to replace you. These are something that you really have to keep in mind. And I know I've had friends who's gone through a lot of relationship issues where, their spouses may have strayed a little bit, and they've left, and all of a sudden, they're gone for about a couple of months, and all of a sudden they're back, and they're like, I made a mistake. Please take me back. Why do you think they do that? It's because they know what they left is not going to be replaced very easily, right? And so, yeah, and it's a shame because you wonder, it's grass isn't greener on the other side, guys. I mean, grass is greener where you water it. And so it's just, if you're not watering the grass on your side of the fence and, your neighbor has a greener grass, well, that means they're feeding their own grass over there. So don't think it's better to hop on over to the other side before you try to water your own grass. And so, yeah, and that sometimes, people tend to stray. And when they do, they start to, when they come back to like, oh my God, I'm so sorry, and I messed up, and well, too late now. But it's interesting because a lot of people don't realize they just felt that emptiness where they left. And now they want to come back, but it's not. It's probably because they couldn't really find somebody that they were looking for. But in truth, it's you are the person that they cannot replace. They can't replace you. That's why they're coming back. They realize, oh man, I really messed this up. And so, yeah, really something to think about. Yeah. So, alrighty. Okay, I'm not going to put a heart on that one because I don't know what it says to me, but yeah, I don't feel it as much as I usually do when I talk about these things. And I think because it's kind of sad. I think that's what it is. I don't like to say things that are a little bit sad. So yeah, it's just me. Anyway, so guys, let's go ahead and get started on this mask so I can reveal the winner. And so how was your weekend? Was it a good weekend? Like I said, my weekend was kind of craziness, but yeah, it was fun. I really enjoyed it, and I think I have enough energy to start my week tomorrow, or which is today that you're watching it, right? And so this mask here is all written in Korean, very interesting, except for this one piece in the back, a small piece here, and it says Real Nature Chamomile Mask Sheet. Chamomile extracts provide rich moisture and make skin feel refreshed. That's true, that's why I chose it. How to use. After washing the face, apply toner, did that. Prepare the skin for the next step of the skin. Open the pouch, pull the mask and place on the face using the eye area to align correctly. Remove after 10 to 20 minutes and gently pat for better absorption. Cautions. For external use only. Avoid contact with the eyes. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash appears. Keep out of reach of children. So yeah, okay, let's see how this is. And I love chamomile. I love chamomile tea. And especially when I want to relax and I want something that's not caffeinated. Yeah. Which is, woo, did you see that? I know you didn't see that, but the juice just like flew out of the, whoops, it's all over my desk. That's okay. It's a juicy one, guys. So, okay, let's see. Let me just take this top all the way off. It just like flew across my desk. Alrighty. And I did not refrigerate this. Oh, yeah. This is juicy. Look at it. Barely any, I don't smell a whole lot. So, yeah, that's good. Usually I do refrigerate my masks, but it is dead of winter here. I say dead of winter, and I know you guys up there in the north, you know, the Michigan, I mean, Wisconsin, of Northeast, Massachusetts, New York. You guys are all laughing at me saying, yeah, you don't know what winter is. You're right. And it was cold today. Actually, I had to put on my pea coat. And it went down to, what was it, 28 degrees this morning, which is kind of cold for this area, but it doesn't stay cold. That's the thing. It heats up rather quickly here in California. And it was nice by the midday, but it was still cool. And when we were walking on the boardwalk, my ears were actually, you know, they hurt because when it gets cold, because I actually ruptured my eardrums in a scuba diving accident many years ago. And now it's like anytime there is really a huge weather change to cold, not too warm, but to cold, it affects me and it hurts. So yeah, that's that. And let me make sure I got this on the outside. So it goes this way. All right. Wow, look at this. All right, let's see if I can get this on my face. And I'm going to go ahead and hold this up here. These are oh so tricky for me. I mean, I don't know why. Okay, here we go. I'll go ahead and put this on like this, and I'm gonna look over here where my huge mirror is. Let me untuck the sides. Okay. Oh, this is so refreshing. Oh, this is really nice. You know, I miss putting on sheet masks. I prefer just like cream masks, but there are days that I really want something like this, and I just want to lay down. This is what I like. I can lay down with this and kind of like read my Kindle, my book, and let's go ahead and get all the air out. And I really like this mask because look how far this goes. Goes really far. And it actually goes perfectly under my chin. You know me and that. And there is a sufficient... Oh, I like this. This is actually very well cut. Okay. And I know Neecy said she gets her stuff from a local Korean store. And yeah, this definitely does show that. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And I'm going to relax. But before I do that, guys, I have to send you off to a commercial break so you can see who won the Mask Monday Ladies giveaway from last week. So, here we go. Off to commercials. Yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are. We are here to pick the winner for the Mask Monday Ladies Mask giveaway from last week, which was the 27th of December. Can you believe it feels like that was like forever ago, but it was just the last Monday. And so what I've already done is I have added the YouTube video URL from that video. I have filtered for duplicate users so everybody gets one chance. And also I filtered comments based on a specific text, which was Monday. So let's see how many people participated by pushing this button. And it was 36. Wow, that's a little bit higher than the normal Mask Monday Ladies giveaway, but okay. So, alrighty, now let's just hop on over here and we will go ahead and see who the winner is. Here we go. Nancy Nettleblad. Congratulations, Nancy. Happy Mask Monday, Alexis. Just wanted to say you always add value to my day. I am sorry to hear about your cousin, and it's nice to hear your daughter and her roommate will be okay. Well, thank you so much, Nancy. And okay, let's go ahead and do the final thing here, which is to check to see if you are publicly subscribed to me. And I'm sure you are, but we have to do our due diligence, don't we? So we'll go ahead and go all the way down. And then, okay, once we get there, okay, we will do our normal Command F. And, okay, this is Haute Modesty. And there we go, right there. So it is official. Congratulations, Nancy. And I will give you the normal rules once we get back to regular programming. So here we go. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Nancy. You have won last week's little face care kit, which is a bunch of masks, and I will be sending that to you. But please, as you know, do go ahead and notify me that you did see it. And I know you gave me permission to keep your address, so I do have it, but I do need you to send me some kind of a text or any kind of Instagram message or an email to say you've seen this video, and I'll be happy to send it out to you. Again, congratulations, everybody. And as you know, I do start these mask giveaways, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing this week, okay? And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and use the word January. Use the word January in a sentence. Again, you guys, you have to be subscribe to me publicly, and you also have to like this video, and I'll go ahead and reveal the winner next week. And so January is the word. Matter of fact, I know that doesn't sound like something I would forget, but I'll get carried away doing something. So what was the word? And so let me write it down. January. And so I will have another Mask Monday giveaway, and that will be revealed next week, and you'll get at least 4 to 5 masks, and possibly some specialty masks as well, okay? Alrighty, and now what did I think about this mask? I really like it. I don't know. I mean, it feels really refreshing. I didn't show you. I set the timer. I set the timer for 10 minutes, and I got carried away doing something, so it must have been about, I don't know, a little over 20 minutes, but it's really nice, and the serum feels really good, and I'm really interested in this. I think I will go ahead and look up this company because it's nice. I hope they do sell it online somewhere, because I think Neecy got this from a local Korean shop near her in New York. So yeah, this is actually very nice. I do like it. It does state fragrance. It's the very last ingredient, but I don't smell it. That's the weird part. I don't smell it, and it doesn't really feel like it. I'm wondering if it's natural fragrances, and although I don't like any kind of fragrance at all, but being that this, I mean, you can't smell it, it's okay. And plus, this is not something I leave on. I'll wash my face and do everything else to put little iPads and yeah, go on and on and on. So yeah, and so very nice. It's refreshing. It's it makes my skin feel really soft and like really supple, and I really like that feeling. When it first comes off, it is a little bit tacky, but when you tap it in like this, it's okay. It dries up really nice. So yeah, that's a good mask. That's a win. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you enjoyed it, and I want you guys to have a very good week. And just remember, live day by day, and just take in whatever you can, the beauty that's around you, and look for that silver lining in any challenges, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to be in on these giveaways, and by the way, I'm on 901, so let's see how long I can stay there, and then I may go ahead and release it if it doesn't move from there. In about a week or so, hopefully, but I like to solidly be in 900 and not go below that once I release it. So yeah, and so we'll see. Maybe I'll wait till 905, 910 as usual, okay? Alrighty, so don't forget to subscribe, and there's a button that looks like that. Ring the bell, and it's right below you, okay? So that way you'll know every time I upload a new video, and that way you'll be notified when you win you get a video that says, hey, you won. And by the way, thank you so much, Jean, for resending me the email that that you obviously sent before. And unfortunately, sometimes, just like I have robo-kill on my phone, if it doesn't recognize your number, it's going to kick you into voicemail, and sometimes I don't check for a while. And I have some similar thing in my email where if it doesn't recognize your email and it kind of looks like it might be junk, it's going to pull you into the junk mail. So I do apologize for that. But she did get in touch with me, and the winner of the IPSY bag. So yeah, that's all good. I'm so happy about that. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, enough of that. So I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend. It doesn't matter when you're watching this, unless you want to win the giveaway, of course. So, but I do want you to remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I had a heck of a day. It was so much fun, though. Today, you know, we woke up and, of course, we went to the cafe and then came back and decided it was such a beautiful day. I told my husband, you know, I don't want to be stuck at home today. He says, okay, you want to go to Santa Cruz? Let's take a drive down there. And so we went down there and we walked around the boardwalk. I could not talk him into going onto the roller coaster. I really want to ride that roller coaster bad. But anyway, you know, people were all like they were all masked and following all the rules. And plus it's the beach boardwalk, so it's wide open. And there wasn't too many people though, which was nice. And so we spent the day there. I bought me a hoodie sweatshirt on sale from Santa Cruz, and then came home and we were so exhausted. Don't know why, because we didn't do anything. We fell asleep for a couple of hours, and I'm like, oh my God, I have all these things I gotta do. I gotta run around, and you know, it's Sunday. Oh my gosh. So yeah, panic around the house, but not really. It was okay. Laundry got done. You know, the floor, my husband's doing the floors now. And yeah, I'm here talking to you guys. So anyway, enough of that. I should have put this in a video, but I put this here in case, you know, people don't want to hear it. And since you guys do take the time to watch the ending of it, I figure you may want to hear it. If not, let me know. Okay? All right, my beautiful wildflowers. All right, thank you so much, okay? And do have a good week. Be safe. And I love you all. As I always say to you, bye! Mwah!